When we moved into this house, we had an enclosure built in the attic that would cover up the washing machine, the laundry baskets, and the boiler, just to make it a little bit more neat. The builders used this product as rails for the two-door to slide in and out. Attached to the door there are two clips with a little tongue that can be locked and unlocked to mount them. Once locked, the door will not be able to come off the rail, but only slide. These are made of plastic and are now, after about 10 years, broken, making the door come off the rails. You can see here plastic being broken, allowing the small tongue that rides into the channel to slip out. I looked into a few shops around where I live, but I could not find the same system, so I decided to try and build them myself. So let's see what comes out. Like every good project, we start by looking in the scrap bin. I got a few strips that they came from a previous project, and I think they'll just do the job. They are rather thin, pretty much the same thickness of the part that I need to build, and I think I'll need two of them to put one beside each other. So if I can actually at the end use this wood here, the project will not cost me absolutely nothing because I have everything. The idea should be rather simple. I'm just going to use the part of the existing one and just reproduce the width, the thickness, and precisely where the channels are supposed to be going. At this point I have the right width and the right thickness. What's now left to do is start building the two grooves where the doors are going to be sliding in. And to do that I'm going to use this piece. I will first check how high the blade needs to be. So I just put the blade inside the old groove and then lower the blade. I can just fill the blade and I set the fence. Both pieces have now two grooves cut, 1 and 2, and I'm pretty happy. Obviously I'll have to test it, but seems to be pretty good. Okay, so the opening of the door is 163 centimeters. The longest of the two pieces I have is 112. So I need, out of the second part, I need 51 centimeters. Going to smooth the edges a little bit, especially here, this side here, because this is going to be on the floor and we will most probably be walking on top of it with shoes, and it'll prevent from start breaking up on the sides. I'm going to take them outside and give them, spray them with some lacquer. It's probably not needed, but I'm hoping that it can give a little bit of protection so that it's going to last longer. So from the old one that I removed, I know that the shortest part here goes towards the inside and the larger part goes on the outside. So I'll place this here, which is precisely where it was. This on the other side. And then I lower them together. And I make sure that they align to each other. Now, obviously having only one piece would have helped, but this is what I had handy. So we're gonna try this way. So this is the door. It's on a bed right now. And this is the underneath. There are little wheels. They go in the materials that we have created. On the top side is what I showed you before. So we're going to make sure that these are closed here and the other one. This is already closed. Okay, filming here is going to prove a little bit complicated, especially given I only got two hands. So this is locked. The doors are fully installed. I never could have to have a little handle here, but for 10 years I never had one. I just find with my fingers to open it. Plus we don't come here very often, like once or twice a week. But they slide really nicely because the wheels works perfectly. They're at the right height and it locks on top. And most important thing, I didn't spend a penny or a euro since we're in Europe. So thank you for watching, and if you have any comments or any questions, leave them in the comments field. Until next time, bye bye.